computer here just crapped all over itself. As soon as I went to Jersey, my sister was like, "Oh, crap, my computer, something, something." As soon as I left, and she said it was giving her an error message, and she couldn't access any of her files. As you can see, if I go, okay, Windows keys not coming up, and as you see, oh, there it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What does it say? A write command during the test has failed to complete. This may be due to media or read-write error. The system generating. I can't see it over there. Reference reference to an invalid system memory address. So I'm thinking that there's something wrong with the hard drive, because I tried listening in on the hard drive, and I can't really determine if it's look at that. I can't really determine if it's the hard drive completely, but the first time I did turn this computer on, I did, and here we go, smart check. This is something it already put on. I'm thinking a virus, but now I'm leaning more toward a drive sector failure. Yeah, these are one of those fake virus scans that these things always give you. And as a word of advice, anytime you have any problems like this with your computer, please, by all means, because I made a mistake and left the wireless on, but there's a wireless switch on some of these Toshiba laptops that are in the front. You just hit the switch and it'll turn off. Good thing this one works and the one on my Dell doesn't. But yeah, this is, see, not enough free. Yeah, something is in here. I'm knocking on the side of a virus that's taken up the hard drive space to bad sectors, but I've never seen a hard drive repair come up. And smart, you know, that's the hard drive's monitoring system. So let's shut it down. And what you will need to do system repair is a Windows 7 x86 disk, a DVD drive, and some knowledge. So let this thing, if it can even shut down. I'm surprised it even did that. So let's pop it in while the machine's still running. And I got some news, so I might put it in a video on YouTube, but there is a computer build coming up, not of mine, but of my sister's. She wants me to build a new computer for the house, not for my house, of course, but for her house. Because they have an old Athlon XP based system, 2.16 gigahertz, which was a screamer in 2005 when the computer first came out or whatever. But you know, it's actually slow. I was over there using it, and it's really, really slow. So so yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll probably be doing a Camtasia kind of video on that. Trying to get into the BIOS here. I don't know. I actually don't know what key it is. There we go. Alright, here's the disk reading. It's just saying please wait. Well, yeah, here's the BIOS. Oh, look at me trying to use the mouse. Boot. Oh, the CD drive does boot first. Okay, then we're good. We are good. Absolutely good. Windows is loading the files. So let's let that run. And we're in the Windows 7 disk. Just hit repair your computer to get to the repair utilities. Searching for Windows installations, if we can even find one, the way this thing has been acting up. But we're just going to see if this works. If not, I'm going to do what did I want to do? I actually want to do a sector check. There's Windows 7. And she had, well, she didn't have Norton on her computer. She had that McAfee bull crap. So, well, the computer was able to start. Hold on, cancel that crap. The computer was able to start. I don't know what I clicked on. Cancel. Let's go to System Restore. So we're gonna try this, and even this doesn't work, but it's critical update. uninstall. So we're going to go all the way back to, wow, check if installer is busy. Alright, we're going to go to the Live Essentials, and then if this does work, we're going to delete all the restore points, because restore points sometimes hold viruses. Once it has started, you cannot interrupt it. So I'm going to start this, and if it is successful, I will delete all the restore points, run Norton on this computer, because she has Verizon, and Verizon gives you the worst virus software in the world. It's called McAfee, and if any of you guys have it and you think it's the bomb, it's not. I like Norton. Norton's the best. Norton, you don't even know Norton's running, but it works really hard to keep your computer clean. It's been keeping my 6-core computer clean since September, so, and it's been running fine. Actually, I've been using it for 3 to 4 years, and I've had not one problem out of Norton. Okay, not one problem. I think I'm covering the mic too. Let me see here. Yeah, the mic is in front of me. You know, camera, sometimes I cover it up. But yeah, I'm going to let this complete. And yeah. Gosh, it's working again. And that was a long shot. Here we go. We got all the programs back. We got the background back. That was a long shot though. Took a while. System still successfully completed. Now, this is what we need to do. Since I'm on my network, I'm going to have to install Norton and wipe this system clean if I have to. Of viruses, go to, what do you call it? Actually, let me get those things done. There's a lot of things to be done. I'm glad it's actually back online, but you can see some of her programs got just scattered all over the place. So, let's do some work on the system. As you see, that worked. So sometimes you don't have to go to System Restore and then wipe that out and all that, but I'm going to check for bad sectors. I'm going to do a virus scan and get rid of unnecessary programs. Alright, check disk. Make sure you're in as administrator in the command prompt. Type the file of the NT. Oh. The type of file. Oh, okay. There we go. Now it's starting the check disk. So much clearer. So let's wait till that's done. You see that? Run check disk with -F fixed to correct these. That means there's something wrong if it's giving me that option. I actually don't run sector scans a lot, so I'm going to see if that does anything. And then we're going to delete all the system restore points. Now we're going to delete the system restore points. So first of all, you want to right click on your hard drive, or excuse me, I think I'm used to XP. Let's go to, I believe, oh, no. System, or properties, excuse me. Okay, properties. I believe it's tools, no? I'm sort of doing this from a video I watched for 2 seconds. Time to go back over to that video.
Box will appear. Make sure under appear. 5 under appear. System protection. A dialog box will appear.
System protection, of course.
5 under protection settings. Make sure your hard drive is listed.
Okay. That's a shame. How'd I had to remember to do this. Guess we click on that properties, or I think we do it under computer here. Properties, system protection. So, the protection on the main volume is on, so that's good. Then we click on configure. This is how we do it, I think. And delete all restore points. This includes system settings and previous files. Delete. You will not be able to undo unwanted changes, blah blah blah. Restore, continue. Deleting all restore points, and that's how you do that. All restore points were deleted. And we'll just keep the restore point file size, of course. And now we're going to install Norton. Me determining that this computer is able to go on my network, so we're just going to flick the switch Excuse me. And it connects to my Wi-Fi automatically. And there we go. So let's get Norton on this piece. Oh, so let's go on Google Chrome. Oh, we can't. What I noticed is there's no virus protection on this computer. It might have had some, because I'm sure she put some on here. But actually, when I actually did this computer, I put Norton on here. Now, I put it on over a year ago. I don't know if she changed it from there or it just disappeared. But it's not there anymore. And I'm not sure if she changed it to McAfee or what. But this computer has not had any graphic changes since I installed the operating system. So maybe Norton disappeared. Maybe it didn't. If not, I'll just reinstall it because there's a newer Norton out anyway. So. But I'm glad I was able to restore this computer back to the original desktop without having to go inside of the, safe mode and find the actual file that was running, making it do all that crazy stuff. Well, this machine still isn't fixed. I'm running a check disk. I was trying to install Norton, and it just would not accept the download. It wouldn't accept Google Chrome download. And the Explorer worked pretty fine, didn't it? That's going to work, of course. But I don't know why. And I'm thinking it's something with the operating system. So, yeah, we're still not done here. I mean, we're up and going with the desktop, but it's like things aren't working properly. So, and it's slow. The whole thing is just slow. So, yeah, we're running this, the other check disk. See if that helps. Well, check this out, guys. A lot of things got corrupted on here. I can't install Norton. I can't find no music. I can't find any videos. Can't find any movies. Can't find any documents on here. All of them are gone. And the desktop used to have some applications on it. There's nothing up there anymore. Plus, this was never... when I did do the system restore... System restore is only supposed to get rid of files that were installed, not files that were like music or whatever. That stays on there. So if you put on a song in 2005 and your computer hadn't crashed since then, and you do a system restore back to 2005, it'll only get rid of the last installed files, not any. I don't understand, because I put this operating system on here maybe a year ago, a year or so ago, but there's nothing, just absolutely nothing here. If I open up Word, I'm gonna go to New. Oh no, excuse me. Go to Pharmacy Technician. Then here's her document, of course. But you go to any of the other ones, can't find it. And these were just recent documents. I also found this one. Yeah, something about women being sexually responsive. Open, but where's all the documents? There were documents in here. Scan documents. What's in there? Nothing. I don't know where anything is. But the hard drive is acting like there's stuff on the hard. There's 38 gigs left. And sorry for the screen flickering. I don't know what that's all about. I think this screen has a lower refresh rate, so if it's flickering, yeah. But yeah, there's nothing here. I don't know where it's at. That's flickering. But this may be a reinstall, but I'm gonna have to let her know that your files are not even on here. So, well, turns out, about a couple minutes ago, I just went to go show my sister what was going on with the laptop, and as soon as I clicked on something, blue screen. Yes, blue screen of death. So, all our piles of DVDs and stuff over there, it's kind of dark. We're going to have to take Windows 7 out and reinstall it. So stay tuned for that. or not stay tuned, I'm going to combine all these videos in one, but it's now a sitting, a paperweight until we can get a new operating system on it, but that's okay. I should have it up and running before Sunday. Funny, this ad came up as soon as I said that the drive crashed, and it says back up your computer. Yeah, that's one thing she did not have, was a backup. So my computer's sort of backed up. Why do I say sorta? Because I have it on an image, and I do change my drivers around a lot. And if you image your computer with a RAID array, and then later you change it to a single volume, then or a single drive, excuse me, or they might mean the same thing, it's not going to recognize the backup because, well, that's what happened to me. It didn't recognize the backup because it didn't recognize the drives that were in the computer. So that's why I, oh yeah, and guys, remember I said I was going to do something on a Western Digital 10,000 RPM drives? I'm just thinking back, what's the point? I'm wasting money. Just stay with my RAID array, stay with it till it fails, and then, because why would I do that and start all over? Because I'm thinking if my imaging doesn't work, I just wasted money and time. So I'm just going to stick with my RAID array that I have now with my 2 Seagate Barracudas, use them till they fail, then just buy some more. As you see, this is still a Toshiba. It's kind of late, but still a Toshiba. Now, the reason why I'm reinstalling Windows is because it did crash. We were doing something on the computer to get the files backed up, and we got a blue screen, and she said, just screw it, restart the operating system, or redo the operating system. So what I'm going to try to do is secure this thing. So the next time this thing crashes is when the hard drive fails, and physically fails. And that's what we thought it was at first, but wasn't that. Some software issue, some virus, I'm sure. Wasn't as bad as some viruses could get, but I will make sure I do my best to actually keep this machine under the full security, Norton security, to say that McAfee or whatever was on here before wasn't working right. So, and I'm sure it was Norton, but it was an older version of Norton, and you know how you have to keep upgrading software drivers and blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I'm going to make sure this operating system gets patched, all that. While it's on my connection, I'm going to have it patched and all that stuff. Well, on my network anyway. I'm going to get this patched up, virus protection. It's a good machine. It's been running for 5 to 6 years solid. So, yeah. When this is done, I'm going to do all those things, and when it's ready to roll out to my sister, make sure it's ready to go and working properly, then I'll show you then how this laptop's doing. And that'll be Sunday. Okay, well, as you see, I got the computer up and running again. I'm just trying to get all my shared files and folders up to this thing. And, no, I don't want to use Microsoft Update. And, yeah, it's up and running. Whatever caused the blue screen, I'm sure it was some sort of virus, because a drive sector problem. It would probably do that, but, look, I don't run into hard drive problems often, so it acted more as a virus than a drive sector problem. And I can't even tell the difference in hard drive sound. So, yeah. Okay, let's say I type in something. Yeah, I'm trying to get my sharing set up. See if it'll find my printer with it over there. See if it'll go out on the network and find. Oh, there it is. And watch this. No wires, as you can see. I've never tried this before in my house. I've tried it before on a wired network, but press OK. Let's see if that works. Oh wow, it works. You see it's going. So I just canceled that print job. But it works. There we go, and the printer's just telling me that there's no tricolor inside the printer. I have a black and white in there. But as you see, the computer's working. I just thought it'd be nice to actually have all the applications she had on there before, but just a fresh operating system install. And you can even see the print queue. Pretty cool. I didn't know I could share out my printer without, telling it to share. So, it's up and running now. So, if you have any more questions on this video, Leave your questions and responses in the comment section below, or you can contact me in my inbox. Stay tuned for any of my upcoming videos, tutorials, video gameplays, random videos, and what other videos I have. I have that computer build coming up and some unboxings coming up as usual. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching.